Hey everyone, welcome back to Audible Talent's channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's crucial for all you freelancers out there: how to secure that coveted Upwork Rising Talent badge. If you're serious about boosting your profile and landing more gigs on Upwork, this is the badge you want. It's a symbol of your dedication and expertise, and in this video, I'll be sharing actionable strategies to help you earn that Rising Talent badge. Before we jump into the steps, let's quickly cover what the Upwork Rising Talent badge actually is. This badge is a recognition of your skills and professionalism as a freelancer. It's a sign that Upwork sees you as someone on the path to success, building a solid reputation on the platform. Now, to get this badge, you need to meet certain criteria set by Upwork. These criteria ensure that only the most promising freelancers receive this badge. So, let's get started. First things first, your Upwork profile. Building a complete and professional profile is key to earning the Rising Talent badge. Your profile tells clients who you are and what you bring to the table. Here are some tips to ace your profile. Use a professional headshot for your profile photo. Craft a compelling headline that showcases your skills. Write a comprehensive overview highlighting your experience. List both hard and soft skills you possess. Showcase samples of your work in your portfolio. Consider getting verified to boost credibility. Expectations. Meet all project deadlines. Staying active on Upwork is essential. Here's how to do it. Regularly log into your Upwork account. Tailor your proposals to job postings. Respond promptly to messages. Join community groups and discussions. Update your profile with new skills. Monitor your stats for improvement. Building strong client relationships is key. Positive feedback and client satisfaction are vital for the Rising Talent badge. Tips for success. Deliver high-quality work and communicate well. Be open to feedback and revisions. Request feedback from clients. In conclusion, earning the Upwork Rising Talent badge is a journey, but the rewards are worth it. Remember, this badge enhances your visibility, credibility, and opportunities on the platform. Keep learning, improving, and delivering excellent work. Addressing FAQs. How will I know if I get the badge? Upwork will notify you by email. What are the benefits of the badge? Increased visibility, credibility, and access to exclusive jobs. How long does it last? The badge is valid for 90 days. Can I lose the badge? Yes, by not meeting performance standards.
That wraps up our guide on earning the Upwork Rising Talent badge. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more freelancing insights. Feel free to share your questions and tips in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.